How is everyone today? I'm super excited to have you here because this is the first ever video on this YouTube channel. I do have another channel. It's for vlogs, it's for my day-to-day living, all my activities, all my fun life stuff, goofy stuff. The silly stuff is over on that channel. And I've made this channel strictly for more of the serious side, more of the motivational stuff that I definitely love talking about. I love talking about the mind, the brain, the subconscious, the universe even. I love all of this. Philosophy, the personal development, the evolution of the human being. These are all topics I'm super fascinated in. These are areas that I study every single day. I spend hours learning about the human itself, you know, the physical human, and the other, you know, like the weird shit. I'm into that shit. And this channel is where I'm gonna be able to talk to you guys about everything I'm learning, everything I use day to day to help me be successful, to help me get through life happily, fulfilled, with purpose, etc. All of this has not come easily. I've had a super rough 3 years, I'd say 3 years. The past 3 years of my life were really challenging, super tough. I went through a lot of dark, you know, I lost people that were literally my best friends. Certain things in my life happened that were not great. Yeah, I've gone through a lot of tough times in the past 3 years, and these tough times forced me to either get stuck or find a way out. And I found a way out, and now every single day, you know, when my feet touch the floor, I'm just grateful. I'm super thankful for the opportunity to live, and then to create, and then to think about what I want to create and go for it. Not afraid of failing. I think failing's beautiful. Anyways, guys, I'm Phil, I'm 25 years old, and this channel is for you to improve yourself or to just learn in general. Basically, this is a place for me to talk about more of the serious stuff and just to chat about how I live every day rather than just show you on the vlog, because the vlog is light. So my vlog channel is super light and fun. It's a good vibe. It's a great vibe. We're smiling all the time over there. And this new channel that you're on is for me to be more serious and kind of really dive in deep into more of the mental side, and that encompasses everything. And I really want to impact you guys. I really want to impact the world, and I really think I can do that effectively through another channel, and that is why I started this. So without further ado, the title of this video is about taking action. The reason I titled this video the way I did is because of basically right now. I was in my head about, you know, how am I gonna start this new YouTube channel? What do I wanna do? How do I wanna do it? How do I wanna brand it? How do I wanna do this? You know, I already started my other channel and I kind of know some mistakes that I can avoid, so how am I gonna and then I was just like, let's just take action. I'm just gonna follow my own advice. I sat down here, put the camera in front of me, and here I am chatting with you guys about taking action. More specifically, what I've learned through the study of energy and happiness, fulfillment, purpose, and skill set even. You will find what you're good at and what you need improvement on through action. You know, you don't need the whole blueprint before starting. You do not need to know all the answers. Taking action is by far the most important thing if you want to succeed, if you want to get better, if you want to live a happy, fulfilled life, in my opinion. Action. Because what action does is it takes you out of your mind. The mind is very busy, and a lot of us, I feel, in society have very congested minds. You know, lots of stress resides in the mind. So lots of stress resides in the mind. The way to get out of your head is through action. Through action, you will build momentum, you will build energy, you will make mistakes, but you will learn from those mistakes, not give up, and keep moving forward. And that's how winning is done. You can plan all you want until the day you die and never get shit done. So right now, I'm gonna walk you through what I'm doing right now for this YouTube channel. I don't know how I'm going to succeed with this YouTube channel. All that I do know is that I will. And what I want, I've got my objectives, my goals. Let's say I said I want a million subscribers by the end of the year. Boom, goal number 1. I want to achieve this level of income. Boom, goal number 2. I want to make sure I'm happy in the process. That's one of my goals. I write that down every day. I want to be happy above all else. That's up there, right beside the finances, you know? Dream car, dream wife, whatever you want to put on there, you toss it on that list. So you have your goals, but what do? What do? You don't know how you're gonna get there. And that doesn't matter, you have to start. You start, you put your best foot forward. Oh, I made a mistake, but I learned and I got a little bit better. And then, oh, that actually worked. That worked that time. Okay, great. Now we're moving on. We're building momentum and we're actually acquiring a skill set in the right direction because you have outlined your goals and desires for life. Without your goals, you will be maneuvering in life kind of like a ship leaving port without a destination. You're just gonna kind of float around in the ocean until you run out of gas. And I feel like that's terrible. That's absolutely terrible. First things first, list out your goals. Write your goals down, 1 through 5, 1 through 10, 1 through 1 million. Write your goals down. Rewrite them every day. Reread them every day. Keep them in your wallet. Keep them beside your bed. Talk about them to people. Know your goals, okay? Know your goals. Then once you have your goals written down and you have practice, you've practiced writing them down a million times, you're walking the dog, it's taking a shit, you're reading your goals, you have your goals in your mind. This is so important, guys. You know what you want in life. Super important. Probably the most important thing I've said all video. You need to know what you want. Physically, mentally, emotionally, everything. What do you want in your life? You write those down and you remind yourself, okay? Then, you get started. You get started. And getting started might be changing your sleep cycle. Get up earlier. Wake up at 4 in the morning. Successful people, they get their ass out of bed. This is how you're gonna change your life. You will change your life and achieve your goals by changing yourself. You will transform yourself through action, through the creation of good habits. You're a bag of skin that does things. These things are your habits. A lot of them are controlled by your subconscious, and your conscious is just a little 5%. So anyways, that's a whole other conversation for another video on this channel. But basically, this is about action. So you have your goals, you take action, and you get going. You're starting to build momentum. You've changed your routines, you've changed what you're eating, you're not partying as much, whatever it is. You know, for me, I changed so much when I changed my habits. And it's hard to change habits, man. It's super hard. I'm getting up very early in the morning now. I meditate now. I set aside 3 hours just to learn every single day. I actually spend about 5 hours a day just learning now about everything. So now you know what you want. It's on your list. You're actively doing different things with your body, which is changing the state you're in. So by doing different things, you're changing your physiological state. You're gonna feel different, and thus you're gonna perceive the world differently. You're gonna approach new opportunities differently. You're gonna recognize opportunities where you normally would have missed them because you've been doing different things. Your physiology is different. Your mind is working a bit better. It's starting to become tuned to what to look for and how to act and what to say. Thoughts are gonna come in out of nowhere. You're like, where did that come from? It's just you paying attention to the right things. Your habits are changing, so you're becoming better. And then you're en route now. You're en route, taking action, getting to your goals and dreams. Oh, shoot. How do I do this? I don't know how to fucking set up a Shopify. So all of a sudden you want to start an e-commerce business. You're like, fuck, man, I don't know the first thing about e-commerce. I don't even know how to buy a domain. This will happen time and time again, but then through action, you're not gonna procrastinate. That's the biggest killer of dreams, man, is procrastination. You're gonna get to work, you're gonna hop on Google because you have total access to literally anything you want in life. You just can't be lazy. You're gonna hop on Google and say, how to set up e-commerce business. And you're just gonna go down a rabbit hole, acquire a shit ton of knowledge, and then start making your site. And you're gonna have more problems. You might have to call a friend. You might have to post on your Facebook, hey, I need help setting up my Shopify. Does anyone know someone? You'll find someone. Man, this is exactly what happened to me. I set up my Shopify from ground zero all the way to running in 1 week. And I had no idea how to do it. I just decided that I was gonna have it up and running in a week. You will figure it out. You just have to do it. And understand you don't know how to do it right now, but you will find out how through acquiring knowledge, acquiring skills, meeting new people, setting the right direction for yourself, and actually having a direction in the first place is key. because then you're gonna start making choices in life based on your direction, based on your goals. You say, that's not really gonna, you know, if you have goals of, I'm just gonna use the money example, it's super easy for the sake of this video. I want $10 million by next month. If you knew how to do that, you would have done it. But if you have that goal, you're gonna have that goal hanging over your head now. Every second of every day, you're gonna have to make choices based on that goal. Oh, is that really moving me forward to that, or is it pulling me away from my goal? So your choices are hopefully advancing you towards the goal, building momentum towards that. Take action. Take action. You have no idea how you're going to accomplish your goals, but you can and will. People have done it before you, and people will do it after you. People are doing it right now. And this could be you, but you have to start. You have to start and know that you're gonna fail. Welcome the failures. Welcome criticism, because it's all helping you evolve into the person you desire to be down the line. The only difference between you and your dreams is you. You're just not the person that has accomplished the dream yet, but you will become that person if you set that direction for yourself. Anyways, guys, to recap, have your list of goals, reread them, write them over again, change them if you lose interest in having a yacht in Monaco for Grand Prix one time, you know. List them out, remind yourself, carry that around with you, never forget your goals, okay? And with all of that said and done, I'm just gonna recap what you need to know so you can get on your way and start accomplishing your dreams. Have your list. Have your list of things you want to do with this life. Have a list of dreams. Remind yourself of this list. It's so important. Rewrite it. Talk to people about it. Have the list. Think about it all the time. Number 2, start moving your body in the right direction. Start doing the things. Act. Act, act, act. Take massive action. You will hear the word massive action in the world of personal development. Massive action, guys. Change yourself. Transform. And number 3, you don't need to know how it's gonna get done. You just need to know that it will get done and that you're going to do it. As you encounter obstacles, you're gonna learn how to overcome them. You're gonna get the knowledge, the skill set to overcome them, and you will get closer to your goal. Just like that, bit by bit. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey. There's actually a quote that I came across the other day. I'm gonna try to get it right. I forget who it was by, but I kind of memorized it. It goes like this. It's important to have an end to journey toward, but it is the journey that matters in the end. The journey's beautiful, guys. The failures are beautiful. The lessons you learn along the way are beautiful. The people you meet are beautiful. It's all so beautiful and so unique to you. If this was helpful, definitely subscribe to this channel. I post super often, lots of videos. Hit the notification bell. You won't regret it. Leave me a comment. Any questions you have, leave me a comment. Any encouragement, any whatever. Thanks for watching, guys.